సార్ 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 మన కొత్త వీడియో వస్తుంది ఇంట్రో దాన్ని.
ఏ కొత్త వీడియో సార్?
కొత్త వీడియో ఇంట్రో సార్.
ఓడిపోయేవారు నాకు ఇంట్రో అడుగుతారు.
ప్లీజ్ ప్లీజ్ సార్ కొత్త వీడియో ఇంట్రో సార్ వస్తాను.
ఇంట్రో చెప్తాను. హాయ్ గైస్, వెల్కమ్ టు మై యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్. మై ఛానల్ నేమ్ ఇస్ బోయ్ అండ్ క్రేజీ. ఈసారి సైకాలజీ ఓటర్ పెట్టాను, ఆవిడతో వీడియో చేశాను. మీరందరూ వచ్చి ఛానల్లోకి చూసి లైక్ షేర్ కామెంట్ చేసేస్తే సాటిస్ఫై అయిపోతాను. బాయ్. మైండ్ స్పేస్. Are you sure? Are you understand Telugu or English? What language? English, Telugu?
No, Telugu.
Oh, English. Actually,
where
how
exactly do you want to go to?
Mind space. Actually, I am new here. I came from Chennai. Actually, I don't have any idea. Actually,
English ni istra marth pettastunnaru evaru nethinu mana college attender.
Where in mind space? Where do you want?
Actually my friend told you came to something mind space. That's it. Actually my recharge my katham
నేను మాట మాట్లాడబాకురా. నువ్వు మాట్లాడేది తెలుగా, తమిళమా, మలయాళమా, కన్నడమా, హిందీ? దండం పెడతాను.
That's why I'm asking. Okay, cool. I don't need any directions actually. I saw you from over there, you look very cute. That's why I'm directly come and talk to you. This is kind of something awkward, I know that. But can you guess this material please? Can you guess this?
No, I do not have any idea.
It's boyfriend material. Okay, actually yesterday I went to my doctor. He said I need vitamin U.
గురువారం మార్చి 1 సాయంత్రం 5:40 తొలిసారిగా
Before meeting you, I checked the weather report on my phone. It shows 18 degrees. But if you check again now, it shows 45 degrees. Do you know why it increased? Absolutely. What's your name?
My name would be Priya.
Priya, my name is Chinna. I'm doing vlogs. I'm exploring places, something food. I am traveler. Are you traveler by any chance? You are not traveler? You don't like traveling?
I do not like traveling. I'm happy in my 4x4 world.
What's your profession actually? What's your profession?
I am currently a student.
What?
I'm currently a student.
Okay. Really, I don't know that.
Useless fellow, shameless fellow, hopeless fellow, brainless fellow. Chichi.
What exactly?
So I'm studying psychology.
Psychology.
Yes.
Okay. Where are you from actually?
I am from I'm here, but I'm from Pune.
Pune. Are you sure?
Yeah.
Actually, I have some friends in Pune. My second, inter second year, 12th. I am studying that. I was studied in Pune. Yeah.
Okay.
Actually, in that time, I have some friends, 4-5 members. Pune is good place. I know. And very my favorite food, fast food. Pune fast food is very good.
Yeah? Pune fast food.
Is very awesome. Actually, something actually you should have mental hospital.
Mental hospital.
Because everyone will go crazy when they see you. Okay.
చిన్నగా మొదలైందే అల్లరి.
Are you catch it?
I caught it.
Okay. Actually, if you okay, we can be good friends. I'm very straightforward.
I am very.
What kind of guy you like generally? What kind of some futures you have? What kind of? And something like innocent, like some kind of stuff. What kind of stuff you? Boy.
I'm not really looking for anyone, so never really gave a thought about that.
Okay. Something in future. What kind of you?
Definitely someone in my own profession.
Your own profession.
It will be easy to understand.
That's all. Okay. But my heart was broken. Why?
You'll find someone else.
But तुम्हारे जैसे कि कोई नहीं है ना.
मिल जाएगा आपको कोई ना कोई.
कब 25 years हो गया मेरे के.
कभी मिल जाएगा.
कभी होता है लाइफ में.
लेकिन आ जाते हैं आगे वन पर.
Okay. But it was nice meeting you. Nice bye back. Subscribe my channel and tell everyone. Please subscribe my.
Done.
Sorry, we are going to both are confusing. Please say hi to camera. My camera is over there. That red T-shirt boy,
Okay.
my DOP. Please say hi to camera.
Okay.
Hi.
Hello.
Okay. Nice meet. It was nice meeting actually. We are very sweet, yeah. I'm okay. We please subscribe my channel and tell our friends to. My channel name is OYE. I am crazy. I am crazy channel. Please subscribe and tell our friends to. Nice meeting you. It was
Nice
okay.
meeting
Thank
you.
you. Bye.